Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom crashing on Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start and here click on Settings. Now click on Apps. Now here click on Installed Apps. Now here search Zoom. Now click on this three dot, then Uninstall. Now again click on Uninstall. Now close it and click on Start. Type Store. Open Microsoft Store. Search here Zoom. Best match Zoom Cloud Meeting. Click on it. Now click on Install. Click on Start and search Zoom and open Zoom. Now sign in your account. So like this guys, you can resolve and fix Zoom problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.